Introducing the Racking Beam Welder by Nikit Engineers, a game-changer in robotic welding solutions for pallet rack beams. Built for speed, precision, and versatility, this machine is engineered to meet the toughest industrial demands. With a maximum movement speed of up to 150 mm per second, our Racking Beam Welder ensures rapid positioning, making it one of the fastest in its class. The closed-loop system guarantees consistent performance, keeping your production lines moving smoothly and efficiently. Experience swift welding like never before. The Racking Beam Welder allows you to adjust the welding speed from 5 mm to 50 mm per second. Whether it's a quick job or a more detailed weld, you have complete control over the process. But it's not just about speed, it's about capability. This welder effortlessly handles complex profiles, including linear, spherical, conical, and helical interpolations. Perfect for diverse industrial applications, giving you flexibility and precision in every weld. Every weld is a mark of quality, consistent, strong, and reliable. With the Racking Beam Welder, you can achieve higher efficiency without compromising on the quality of your work. Nikit Engineers' Racking Beam Welder is designed for professionals who demand excellence. Elevate your welding game with this cutting-edge solution that saves time, reduces costs, and ensures perfect welds every time. Thank you for watching. Like what you see? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative welding solutions. Stay ahead with Nikit Engineers.